So without further ado, let's get into some of the holiday gifts that she might actually want in 2022. The first thing I have on my list is a new phone. Again, it's a gift that absolutely will continue to give because we use our phones 24/7. I have absolutely seen a ton of providers giving a lot of good deals and sales. Then you know that Christmas is coming soon, so you can absolutely find a good deal. Number 2 is comfy loungewear. This is one of those gifts where it's not going to cost you a lot of money. That's actually something that my family and I do every single Christmas. We always give each other holiday festive comfy pajamas, and you can't go wrong. Gift number 3 is gonna be a nail collection gift set or anything of that nature. I know I have definitely saved a lot of money doing my nails at home. Now, gift idea number 4 would be to pay a bill. I don't care if it's a gas card, it could be paying a utility, throwing some money to some debt. I don't know about y'all, but if I had somebody come to me and say, hey, I got you, your rent is paid for the 1st of January, I would be happy. Gift number 5 would have to be an air fryer. The good thing about air fryers is that they've been out for a while, so they have a lot of different various sizes and different like features that come with them. If it's somebody who is on the go and needs to make a quick meal, if it's somebody who likes to stay in and dedicate more time to their meal, you cannot go wrong with an air fryer. Gift number 6 would be a planner, and I just grabbed one of my planners. It's actually one of my budget planners. My partner is on a wellness journey. If there's someone who likes to stay organized, I guarantee you a planner is something that they will use and they will be happy for. And they have so many different options that you can also choose from as well. So gift number 7, which is the final one on my list, would be a nice fragrance. And the fragrance, it really does not have to be expensive. I have my highest of the high ends, and they have a lot of companies that actually will be able to replicate some of these scents and sell them for the low. My favorite scents has to be this amber fragrance, and this is actually sold at, I believe it's Whole Foods. This is less than $10. So those are all the gift ideas that I have for 2022. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.